Chinese trained me basic skills about the agricultural drone management, maintenance, and operation. That was year 2020 during COVID times. It's a big process. It is technology, new technology here. So I'm still learning, as I told you. So far I've learned for 1 year, and I still have more years to learn since it is new innovation and this is technology.
The good thing with the Chinese here, when you come and you have the ability, you acquire skills from here freely. They train. And when you are trained, practically, you can be more than that who went to school.